Hi, Robert Ling from Allegheny Educational Systems. I'm here with Gina. Gina is our metro area rep and Matt Given, our technical services director. In just a few minutes, we're going to start doing tours in the Experience Stratasys mobile showroom. Thanks for joining us.
Hi, I'm Gina Scala from Allegheny Educational Systems, your New York metro area rep. Today I'm at the Experience Stratasys mobile showroom, and if you couldn't make it to the truck, I thought maybe I would take you on a quick tour. It's lunchtime at the J55. No, seriously, this is a 3D printed peach off the J55 3D printer. Imagine your art and design programs having 3D color like they do in their 2D color systems. That's where we see this being put. Labs, makerspace on campus, art and design, fine arts, digital sculpture programs. The reason being the J55 is PolyJet technology made more accessible. So this little guy can print 500,000 colors, Pantone validated colors, can connect to KeyShot and some of your design softwares, and allows your students doing packaging design, doing product design, even doing fine arts to create something like this with texture, with text, with badging, allows you to do fine feature details inside. So the J55 is great for those programs that are in that design realm. They're also great where design engineering meets fine art. So if you have that cross collaboration on campus, the J55 is a product that you might want to look at to support your program, to have your program be bleeding edge, to give your students what industry has. This is sitting in the leading product design firms next to the designer's desk. They're iterating daily. Wouldn't it be great to graduate students that had a leg up on the best technology? Stratasys J55, PolyJet technology. Check out the spec sheet, ask us questions. That's what we're here for. So here's one of Stratasys' brand new printers. This is the Origin One. It is DLP technology that Stratasys calls P3 because it's programmable photopolymerization. It works similar to DLP insofar as it builds from here and goes up in a vat of liquid resin. It's really awesome because it is an open system. It uses materials from BASF and Henkel. It allows you to do smooth things, flexible things like this, heat-resistant parts, and fine feature detail. So great for research applications, great for schools that want to test and try new things. Origin One, P3, brand new from Stratasys. Let's see what's next. When we talk about what's new from Stratasys, we have the F770. F770 is not only new, but it's big. Let's take a look inside. It's huge. Prints up to 1 meter long in ABS and ASA material. So you can do parts like this appliance base, which we have over here, all in one build. You don't have to put them together. Our academic institutes love this because at the end of the semester, they don't have to print big parts, but they can print everybody's student project in packs of builds. Stratasys invented FDM, now they just made it bigger. Speaking of FDM, let's keep going and take a look at the Stratasys F123 series. Here, this is the Stratasys F370. You may have seen these in labs and maker spaces around the state. This is the most popular printer by Stratasys. The F123 series is great because it's got not only easy to use FDM technology, but a pretty large build platform. And you can also do all different types of materials. So two things that are worth mentioning to you, since you're not in the truck, is that you can print TPU or flexible material. So this is a flexible duct, as well as carbon fiber ABS. So this is ABS CF10, brand new material from Stratasys. It's very lightweight. very accurate, and very stiff. So if you have applications that require lightweight, stiff parts, strong parts, this is for you. Plus the F123 does all your standard materials, your standard thermoplastics, even electrostatic dissipative materials, and a PC ABS. So lots of great things for Stratasys. They invented FDM. They keep iterating on it and bringing you systems that are awesome. Stratasys also carries higher performance, higher temperature machines that aren't on the truck, but they brought along some parts. So they have parts that are printable from Ulta material, PEC materials, things that work with chemicals and heat, fly on airplanes, are utilized in the space station. So if higher performance materials are your thing, don't let what we've showed you so far be the limitations. Talk to Rob, talk to myself, and we'll be happy to go deep with you on the higher performance Stratasys machines. If you're looking now to get started in FDM, we also have the MakerBot. MakerBot is owned by Stratasys. Their new machine, the Method X, leverages Stratasys patents and their temperature controlled oven. So it levels up the MakerBot systems. And we have that here in the truck to talk to folks that are just getting started in their additive journey. Stratasys also put the Stratasys Direct parts on the truck. And the reason they did is because you can't possibly have every technology in your lab, but there's a research application or a professor that wants to do something crazy and you want to be able to support them. Stratasys Direct Manufacturing is a service bureau that provides that service. So they have parts that are made of cobalt and Inconel, copper, SLA, nylon, that you can order from them. So don't let not having the 3D printer be the limitation. Talk to Rob, talk to myself, and we're happy to consult on what might be possible with other additive technologies. So one of the last things I'll cover, and one of the last things that they launched, was the SAF technology. And SAF is powder-based technology. We see it here. Creates very lightweight parts, builds for manufacturing, so you can do thousands of parts instead of 5 parts. So that's the H350 machine, and that's also a new technology for Stratasys for people that are running more manufacturing programs. So that's basically what's in the Stratasys truck. Thank you for joining me virtually. I hope you can join us at one of the stops. If not, we'll come to you and bring some of the parts so you can check them out. Thanks so much. Bye.